In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the oil pressure sensor on this BMW 328i. Let's get into it. We're going to take these two bolts out, use an 8mm socket. We can just raise the cover up a little bit. You don't have to take it off completely. Disconnect the connector, just push down on that release. It just slides right off. Use a 24mm wrench or a 15/16. Loosen it up. Once you break it free, you should be able to do it by hand. You might lose a little bit of oil. Slide that out. And take the new sensor. Get it started. And we'll tighten it with the wrench. If you have the ability to get a torque wrench in there, you want to torque this to 14 foot-pounds and then go an additional 16 degrees. Do the best you can. That's about 14. That's 16 degrees. Take the connector, line it up, lock it down. Now slide the cover in place. Take the two bolts, get those started. Snug those down, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.